Ever tried herding cats while debugging interagent communication protocols? If you're an AI engineer wrestling with multi agent systems, you're juggling role definitions, coordination logic, and workflow integrations that refuse to play nice. Crewai's Building Crewai Team skill gives you role specific templates for agent personas like data curators, model trainers, and decision brokers, all with built in task prioritization algorithms. We're talking collaborative workflow engines with DAG based execution, real time telemetry dashboards for monitoring agent interactions, and auto scaling modules that optimize resource allocation based on task complexity. Spoiler: no telepathy required between your LLMs anymore. Let's build AI teams that actually work. Here's what's inside the Building Crewai Team skill. Role definition templates come with pre-configured personas. Think QA specialists, code reviewers, and deployment managers, each with prompt engineering best practices baked in. The collaborative workflow builder lets you map agent interactions using visual flowcharts that auto-generate message routing logic. Real-time coordination dashboard, that's your mission control center tracking token usage, task latency, and agent decision trees. Scalability optimization modules dynamically spin up new agents during peak loads using Kubernetes based orchestration. And yes, it comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, from fintech fraud detection to autonomous vehicle coordination. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform chaos into collaboration, one agent at a time. Installing the Building Crewai Team skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-crewai team. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance, including battle tested patterns for agent conflict resolution and distributed task scheduling, plus production grade code templates for Python and TypeScript implementations. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows how to set up role based access control for agents, auto generate communication protocols, and optimize team compositions using genetic algorithms. No PhD in Crewai required. Just ship better AI systems faster.